So I just did the baby food challenge, and I have these Happy Yogis yogurt and fruit snacks and strawberry, and they're really good. They're really good. And apparently, Tinkerbell likes them. She's done already. Coco. Coco likes them too. Coco, come here. Oh, he's afraid of...
Yeah, because she's bothering him.
Go. Coco, come here. Come here.
Move back more, Kayla.
Coco, come on. See, here's Coco. Wait, I'm going to go get the baby food. Be right back. Entertain them. Look, they're following me. Ow. Okay. So the ones I have up here right now, and then I'll go get the rest. The raviolis actually weren't that bad. They tasted like Campbell's soup. Coco, want a ravioli?
Oh, no.
Coco, a ravioli? He took it! Oh, I think he spit it out. Tinky.
Well, it sounds like he's eating it.
Tinky, you want a ravioli? Want a ravioli?
She's it off the fork.
He took it! Coco, you want another ravioli? He likes them. Wait, what if I put them on the ground? You think they fight over them?
I don't know, Kayla.
Kayla?
Coco will run away because she bothers him.
Kayla?
No, you're not putting it on the floor.
No, like this. The bowl,
yeah.
so they would eat. Okay,
Yeah,
ready?
but she's going to get them all. He's not going to be able to get anything. She shoves him out of the way. Did he get it?
He's not letting her get any. I'm going to let him. All right, now Tinky's turn. Coco, you had some. Now it's Tinky's turn. Oh, he looks so upset. He's like, I want to. All right, Tinky, now it's Coco's turn again. Look, they're almost gone. Hey, okay. Now it's Coco's turn. Here, Coco. I have to fork feed him to Coco. He won't eat them. He only takes them off the fork. Mine, look at this. I can't believe we're going to have to buy baby food as the treats for the dogs now.
Well, at least they didn't go to waste.
Watch them both throw up later.
That's great.
Well, they're getting a nutritious meal in. Tinkerbell takes out the fork like this. Go like this. Oh, sorry, Coco. I gotta show Anthony this video later. Oh no! There you go. There's only...
It's still recording?
Yeah. There's only 3 left. Coco? Tinky. Now I'm going to cut the last one in half. Look, Mom, there's only 1 more left. Never mind, Coco, you can have it. Coco, love that. Oh no.
They're like, and where's the rest?
They're both like, more please? Look at this. Nothing left. Okay, now I'm gonna give them pears. This is fun. Okay. Coco, you want to try pears? You want pears? No? Tinky, you want pears? Neither one of them took the pears. Come on, you want pears? You don't want pears? Come on, pears. Come on, want the pears? Tinky, want the pears? Come on, eat the pears. Yeah. Come on, eat the pears. Eat them. Oh. Tinky, they're not poisonous. Let's try applesauce and peas.
Did he eat the peas?
What?
Did he eat the peas?
Oh, he tried them. It tasted like poop. They're disgusting. It tasted like poop. Anthony finished the applesauce.
He did?
Yep.
He liked it, huh?
Oh, yeah. I'm going to open the other one. Come on, guys. Oh, the peas. Ew, look at them. He wants the raviolis. We got to buy Coco raviolis. Look at it. Look at this. Come on, Tinky. Oh, he's copying Tinkerbell. She just did that. Oh. They like compete with each other. All right. Oh, she's taking the applesauce. Coco, want some? Wouldn't it be funny if the dog started gagging after it ate the peas? It's like peas. Come on, eat the peas. Eat your apples. They're hella excited. She got scared of the spoon. Watch this. Ready? There you go. She's eating the applesauce. She's eating the applesauce. I'm going to have to throw this out, though, because we can't eat this after she stuck her tongue in it. No, she walked away. Coco, want some applesauce? Peas. It's peas right here. Oh, Coco looks interested in this. Look at him. I'm not afraid to throw this out. It's really gross. Oh, it smells like peas. Oh.
Coco's like, hell no.
No, she pushed him out of the way. Take Coco. Okay. He was like this. No, they don't like baby food. No, she likes the applesauce though. Coco, you want it? No. I feel bad we're out of raviolis. Hey, look, Central Park. Demi Lovato. We're on vacation in New York, right?
What?
We're on vacation in New York. We live in LA. You guys want more yogurt chips? Yogurt! Yogurt! Look, she comes running. Tink! Look at this. Ready? Ready? Tinky, come on, you want some more? Look, they all come running. Okay, calm down. Oh, his breath smells. Oh, Coco, you need a mint. Up. Up, up, up. Go, go, go. Go. Tinky, up. Go, go. I'm going to be back. I'm just going to pour them out on the floor. Wait. One, two, three, four, five, six,
I gotta go get something. I'll be right back.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Look, Coco. Think about you only got 6. Coco got 7. You can have one more. Come on, come on. That was really good. Come on. You're getting slow. Go, Coco. Oh no. There you go. So yeah, that was me feeding my dogs baby food. So, bye guys. And again, look forward to our vlogs in New York.